So same sentences that I read to you before. Now you're going to be introduced to the structure of Spanish sentences. Okay, you see here same sentences, but here in this sentence you see the subject is las células. The predicate, predicado, is the verb plus the object. And the verb, I put the verb in red. The verb here is necesitan. So when you see las células necesitan oxígeno y energía para funcionar, las células is the subject, sujeto. Necesitan oxígeno y energía para funcionar is the predicate. Okay, the predicate includes the verb, and everything to the right of the verb is the object. So you can see subject, verb, object. Subject, verb, object. SVO, same as in English, the same structure. Okay, subject, verb, object. But Spanish has other structures. When you start the program, you will discover those structures. But we are going to limit our learning to Spanish mediated sentence building. So for that reason, it's going to be simple sentence building, and you have practice doing that. Okay, and then you will do it directly in Spanish. So target language mediated learning is faster when you are trying to learn a language as an adult. Okay, so that's the best way. If we are not going to do side by side English and Spanish all the time. From after module 1, module 2 will focus mostly on giving you the skills, teaching you how to build sentences directly in Spanish. That will help you faster. You will be amazed how fast after completing module 2 you'll be able to read public education public health material. Public health material, the level of understanding is 5th grade to 8th grade. So the content is not hard. So you can read material. If you take this course up to the second module, after the second module, you'll be able to read public health education material. Okay, any public health education material, you just need to work on your specific vocabulary for that area, and then you will understand most of it. And you practice doing that. Don't go and read encyclopedic or volumes of anything at this level. You don't need that. You just need easy stuff, so as the skills can take place in you, and then you'll build on it later. Okay, so at this level, if you want to check the program, don't go to the description below the video, click on the link, and then it will take you directly to the program. Okay.